Assalamu alaikum, this is Rabia Kamran on behalf of YouTube channel Chalo Parho with Rabia. Today we are going to discuss comparing subtraction and addition of integers with the help of algebra discs. Here, you know this thing, integers are 0, plus 1, 0, positive 1, positive 2, positive 3 and so on. And likewise here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 and so on. So on means they are going towards infinity. This is algebra disc which shows positive 1, and this is algebra disc in negative 1 which shows negative 1. Now if I will put here two algebra discs, both are 1, what it would be? That would be 1 plus 1, 2. And if I will put 3 negative 1 algebra disc, what it would be? That would be negative 3. This is a key concept. Subtracting a positive integer is subtracting a positive number is equivalent to adding a negative number. How will we do that? This is A negative B. Subtracting positive integer is equivalent to adding a negative integer. Got it? So these two expressions are equivalent here. So these two expressions are equivalent to each other, means adding and subtracting both are equivalent. Now I am going to discuss an example with you. Positive 6 minus 2. We are subtracting positive 2 from positive 6, which is equivalent to positive 6 plus negative 2. What does it mean? We are adding negative 2 in positive 6. So how will we solve that? We will take algebra disc. How many discs would be over there? 6 positive discs. So I will put here 6 positive discs, and so let's take 6 positive discs and we are going to subtract. So we will take away positive 2 from positive 6. So what will we do here? We will subtract this positive 2 like this. So if I will take out this positive 2, what would be our answer? That would be positive 4. And I will draw a line here. Now this is positive 6 and we are going to add negative 2 in positive 6. I will put here positive 6 like this, and now I am going to add negative 2 inside this positive 6. What it would be? I will put here negative 2 because we are adding, so I will put together them with positive 6, and you can see that there are 2 0 pairs, and it means that they all together combine and simplify to 0. This and this will combine together and simplify to 0, and this one and this negative 1 makes a 0 pair also. They will cancel to each other. So our answer is also 4 here. Now let's take another example. Both the expressions are equivalent, we are going to show. So you are going to subtract, you are going to take away this 2 from negative 6. I will put here negative disc like this, negative, negative, and this is also. So this is negative 6, and now I am going to take away positive 2 from negative 6, but you can see that there is no positive 2, so we will introduce 2 0 pairs over there to get positive 2 over here. So that would be, this is positive 1 and positive 1, and these are two negatives. So you can see that this is a 0 pair and this is also a 0 pair. If you add 0 pair, how many times you will be adding? There would be no change. So you can add these two 0 pairs in -6 to get positive 2 over here, because we are going to take away positive 2. So if we will take away positive 2 from here, your answer would be -3, and -2. What it would be? -8. Now we are going to find out -6, that -6 plus -2, what would be our answer? First of all, I will put here -6 like this. We will put -2 also over here, and you can see that this is -6 plus -2. I have added -2 over here, so our answer would be -8. So you have learned here subtracting a positive integer is equivalent to adding a negative integer. That's it.